Greeting everyone, my name is Dyvannda San, a junior from the Department of Industrial Engineering, and today in this video I want to show you how to input the number in the website called PermaLearn to get a normal force diagram, shear diagram, also a bending moment diagram. So now let's get started to our website. Here that we call it PermaLearn.xyz. It's a 2D structural analysis tool. Yes, and now let's get started to our problem. And today I want to show you how to draw the shear and moment diagram of a problem 7-49. So as you can see here, we have only one member, so the member from A to C, but we have a 3-point interest, is point A, point B, and point C. So now let's input the number together. So first we start from the begin point in here is 0 and y also 0, but the horizontal distance from the begin point here from point A to point B is 4 meters. So let's type in 4 meters. And we don't have a vertical distance, so let's add only 4, and now you get it, 4 meters. So we have one more, start from 4, y is 0, and the distance from 4 is point B to C is 2 meters. So let's type it 2, and we also don't have a vertical, and now you get it here 2 meters. So I think we have all the member in here. Now let's move to support. So now let's take a look at our problem. So we have at point A we have a pin support. So now let's put it in point A, pin support, that's in here. So we click add. So now you can see point A, pin support, and at point B is roller. So just put the coordinate B is roller in here and add it. You will get a roller support in here. But in this problem we don't have a hinge, joint load, and point load, but we have a distributed load here, 8 kilonewton. So now let's add it together in here, linearly distributed load. So in member 1, you will see the O-ring on the 4 meter in here. So the load type is vertical load. Yes, yeah, it's vertical load, and begin load is 8 kilonewton, and the end load is it's -8, because the sign here we go upward with positive upward, so we will put -8, and load also -8, yes, and just click add it, and now we get one distributed load on member 1. So now let's do the same member 2. -8 and -8. Okay, vertical. Yes, and now we get it. So in this problem we all have the number, and they want us to draw the shear and moment diagram. So now let's take a look at the solution. So but I want to show you the normal force first. Here normal force, and just untick the load and we want the shear and moment diagram. So here just take shear and you will get the shear diagram here, and also bending moment, just click bending moment and display it. Okay, in here. So we also have a bending moment reverse here, and that's all. Thank you for watching.